Okay, hi everyone, my name is Long, and today I will talk about my custom program. So my custom program is a tech RPG, and I use FlashKit to code it. Before I get into any details about the code, I will first run the program, and here's the program. So the characters is in there's something wrong about the sound. The sound is kind of buggy. Let me run it again. Okay. So the game is set in a text RPG world where you are a adventurer and you're going to explore a cave with 3 sections. So I will go into the first section. So when you enter the first section, you will encounter a orc, and you can either um, cast a powerful spell or run. So if I click cast a powerful spell, because the orc is too, you cast a spell but the orc is too strong, so it defeated you, and now the game will restart and bring you back to the game menu. So if I choose again, and this time I hit 2 to run. So yeah, the orc managed to hit you a little bit, but you managed to cast a weak spell while running, and now you are in the corner, and with no choice you cast a very powerful spell, and the spell managed to kill the orc, and you're going back to the crossroad to the 3 sections cave. And the second choice, the second section, is a puzzle that you need to solve, and you can either go back by pressing 2 and you return to the conjunction, or you can press 1 to trying to solve it. So there will be 3 options, and if you enter the right one, then you will be rewarded, but if you enter the wrong one, you will be punished. So if I enter like maybe 3, then you can see my health, I'm losing health, and 5, I'm losing health as well. But if I click a 4, which is the correct answer, then I will enter the correct answer, and I will can pass that, and I need to face the skeleton lich, and this is the final boss. So if you there's only one option to cast the spell. If I click 1, but as you can see, the health of the mana is too low, then the game will restart. So I will try another section 3. And I know the answer is 4 is correct, but if you hit the wrong answer in section 3, you lose some mana. And yeah, now I'm fighting the orc, and I'm fighting the lich. Click 1 to cast a spell, and 2 to cast another spell. Not enough. Let's try again. And there, you defeated the final boss, and then you're walking through the treasure, and the game is finished. You can either click R to restart, or escape to turn off the game. And yeah, so now for the code explanation. This is a header file which I store all the enum and the structs and the function declarations. So it's pretty straightforward. This is the player data, where it has the player health and mana as integer. The section is just like the description of each section. Like as you can see in section 1, dated section 1, section 2, you're in section 2, something like that. And here's the game section option, and this just related to each part of each section. More on this tech show later. So these are the global variables for each section, for every section. So these are it main. It will open a text RPG with 800 by 600 windows, and I load some bitmaps to use for later, like the pictures you see in the game, like the D&D logo, or the treasure, or the orc. All of this has been loaded by this, and it will be called later. I set some string stream and string input for the user input, the music, and I set the default player mana and health. So here's the UI for the game. Yeah, so I said if player health is less than 1, the game will restart. Yeah. If the user press escape key, then the game will escape. So if they hit backspace, then they can delete the numbers that they type. Yeah, R key to restart the game. Please handle enter key. And if they enter some number like 1 in section 1, if they enter number 1, then this will direct them to something else. This for section 2, section 3, the boss section. Yeah, this is for the game only take input from 0 to 9. This one is the menu welcoming the player to the game and choose the direction they want to go. And here's the section they can go. Here's the 3 main section. Here's like the section after the section 2 and 3. Yeah, this like the your input, like in the game, as you can see. Yeah, your input is here. You input the number. This is for, yeah, like this is for displaying the section, like in this one, displaying section 1, section 2, section 3. Let me show you. 1. Yeah, you're in section 1, you're in section 2. Yeah, like that. This loading the D&D logo, the D&D logo. And the game is set at 30 FPS. So this function load the music. I set it to volume of 1. The start game, it's just starting the section. This is a bit too loud. Let me, can I turn off the sound of this thing? It's fine. So it's whatever. Okay, so the elif, and you cannot, no, you can access it. If you cannot access this, but you can access, if you input this to 1 or 2 or 3, you can access section 1, 2, 3. But no, you cannot access this. I just put it here because I need the transition between the screens, and this function represent the restart game. So we set everything back to the default. This one, well, very similar. It's just returning, like remember in section 2 and 3, you can type 2 to return to the conjunction. So yeah, this one deals with it. So here's the code for section 1. As you can see, I load the bitmap, and just I use Splashdit draw text to draw the text on the screen. So the same goes for sections 2 and section 3. Yeah, here's the returns. And oh yeah, here's section 3, and I need to put like some sort of bow spellcast force to stop, to like to stop the iteration of player mana and player health, because if I don't put this, then it will continue to decrease the player health, and I don't want that. The reason why it iterate deleting the player health constantly, because the because of the do while in the main function. So I need to put this to stop it. And for the text shown, the text shown is just for deleting the previous text. And yeah, I think that's about it.